Stock up on canned and dry food, batteries, torches, and tape. Update your medicine kit, have a 2-week supply of water, and know your hurricane shelter.
I love my children, and I will do anything to protect them. This season, we are hurricane ready. We have our disaster essentials. Stacked up on canned and dry goods. We have our 2-week supply of water. And we updated our medicine kit.
And we know where the closest hurricane shelter is.
Be ready. Be hurricane ready. A message from the Barbados Government Information Service and the Department of Emergency Management.